Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking liver and onions in the air fryer. So what we need is beef liver. You can also use the same recipe with chicken liver, and an onion, and spices you'd like to use. I'm just going to use salt and pepper, and you can use seasonings of your choice. And I also need a non-stick cooking spray so nothing sticks to the air fryer basket. So I'm going to start out by spraying the bottom of the basket with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. Next, I'm going to slice the onion. So now separate the onion into slices and put it in the air fryer basket. Okay, so here are sliced onions. And next I'm going to slice the liver. So now let's take the liver and also cut it into slices. So I'm just cutting it into strips. Okay, so now there is liver and onions in the air fryer basket, and I'm going to season it and mix it so it's all coated with seasonings. I will just sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And I'm going to mix it until it's all combined. So just mix together liver and onions, they cook together. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's open the air fryer basket and mix liver and onions so they cook evenly. And put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious liver and onions. They're perfectly cooked. It looks amazing. Now, you can always check to make sure that it's fully cooked through. The internal temperature of the liver should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And if it's not cooked, you can always put it back in the air fryer for an additional few minutes. Now, mine is perfectly cooked, so I'm just going to remove it to a plate. Look at that, perfect. It's so nice when things cook together. And liver and onions are both perfectly cooked. Now, let me just cut a piece for you to see. So see, no pink inside. The liver is completely cooked through. I'm so excited about trying it now. Let's try it. Delicious. The liver is so tender and perfectly cooked through, and the onions are delicious, fried and caramelized, all in the air fryer. So easy. You're going to love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!